Okay guys, so if you ever played chess, you know how every move can play a strategic role towards winning the game. One false move and you're in trouble, and one good move and you're ahead of the game. And it's the same when it comes to choosing the right tools for your online business as a content creator. So today I'm going to introduce you to a solution that will place you leaps and bounds ahead of your competition by allowing you to collaborate directly from within WordPress on your blog post with your team. So this way you work more efficiently, your workflow is streamlined, and you save a ton of time that you can spend on something else. Okay, so let me show you. And for this, we are going to use Multicollab, which is designed to bring you all the features of a Google Doc style collaboration in WordPress. And with it, you can forget copy and paste, you're going to publish faster, and also it works seamlessly in your workflow. And the best part is that you can try it now for free. Okay, so the first feature in order to collaborate on your blog post is to be able to invite your coworkers, your teammates, obviously. So click on this button here, and now you can invite anyone using their email address. Let's invite David as an example. And now you can set a role, viewer, commenter, or co-editor. And you can even send him a personal message. So perhaps something like this, and then send the message. And this is the content of the email. As you can see, John Doe invited you to collaborate, your personal message, and this is the blog post you want him to work on. And for this, all he has to do is click on this button, and he will have full access to the blog post without needing any credentials. Now, clearly, you can invite more than one colleague. You can invite as many as you want. Again, all you have to do is type their email address right here and select any of your coworkers. So when we say it brings you all the features of Google Doc style collaboration in WordPress, the first thing you want to do is to share inline comments. So let's read the first sentence here. Multicollab, a cutting-edge content collaboration platform. Well, technically, it's not a platform, is it? It's more like a solution. So how can you ask your colleagues if this is correct or not? Well, very simply, like this, and now post an inline comment. And you can even tag one of your coworkers directly by typing the @ sign. So let's send a message directly to David. So let's type our message. So perhaps, is it considered a platform or a solution or a plugin? And right here, as you can see, you can assign this directly to David, in which case he will be responsible for marking it as done. We're going to leave it open for now, okay? So let's post our comment. And now from David's screen, you can see your message, so you can make those changes. So let's say this is a plugin, okay? And now it can reply. So it's a plugin, reply. And now David can mark it as done. So back to John Doe's screen, as you can see, you have the list of all the collaborators working on the blog post, and also all the activities are recorded here, and you even have a summary. As you can see the amount of comments that are open, resolved, and the same for the suggestions. So now let me show you the other amazing feature that Multicollab offers, which is the suggest edit. So for this, we need to enable it first. So we go under settings here, suggest edit, and as you can see now it is on. So let me show you what this does. And for this, let's consider the first sentence here. In the dynamic world of content creation, writers often find themselves facing an array of challenges. So here, maybe it would be better to have, in this highly competitive world of content creation, writers often find themselves facing an array of challenges. So how can I do so? Well, it's very easy. So here you highlight the word that you want to replace. Now I'm going to hit the delete key. There you go. As you can see, this is crossed off now, and I can replace this with the actual terms I want to replace it with. So for instance, this highly competitive. And now anyone coming along can either accept or reject this suggestion. So let's accept it. And there you go. As you can see, the changes have taken place. And I can also suggest a formatting edit. So if I wanted to emphasize highly competitive world, I can highlight this. And then perhaps I want this in bold and perhaps also italic. And as you can see, this is recorded automatically here by the side. And again, anyone working alongside with you on this blog post can either accept or reject this suggestion. And then you can also attach documents to your inline comments. All you have to do is click on the paperclip here, and you can attach any documents that you want, like a PDF file or an image like a JPEG or PNG file. And now any of your coworkers can have access to this image simply by clicking on it. Now the beauty of Multicollab, if you want to supervise everything that's happening with your blog post, you can access it directly from the Multicollab section here. And as you can see, all the activities are recorded chronologically, so you can have a quick overview of what's happening and who's working on what. You can also go to the report section. And as you can see here, you have all your blog posts being listed, and you know exactly who's working on them, and all the activities are recorded here, including how many comments are open or resolved. And of course, when working as a team, you want to make sure that you can manage the permissions for comments and suggestions for all these different roles. And also Multicollab support different languages with German, Bengali, French, Spanish, Hindi, Chinese, and English. And just in case you're afraid to be missing out on the action, you can also receive real-time notifications through your Slack channels. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Now if you are interested and would like to try this art for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page, and under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.